Hey guys, so are you tired of doing these online surveys that basically pay you pennies or pay you a few dollars, maybe make $1, maybe make 50 cents, maybe make $3 per survey? There are tons and tons of online survey sites out there that will pay you barely anything when you can simply be making a lot more money for your time. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you are disabled, if you can't work, if you're in between jobs, or if you just need a side hustle, like this is something very great to take advantage of. Basically, these are higher paid survey sites that pay you hundreds of dollars per survey. You'll get paid like $50 per survey, $75, $100 per survey easily by just one survey. How it works? This is how it works. So basically, there are, people out there that, companies out there that are looking for real people's opinions, and they're willing to pay you good money for it. Sometimes they will need you to, do something just very simple, something that anybody can do, so you can definitely click the link in the description that I will provide, because I will put the link right in the description for you to check this out, because I don't see a lot of people talking about this website. But basically, it's just like any other survey website, but it's a lot more in-depth. They will have you ask some questions about yourself, and then they'll send you an email when you qualify, and then basically you can start getting started to making $50 to $100. So this is just basically the website you will see when you click the link provided in the description. This is the website you will see, but in a minute I'm going to show you the payouts. So this is just kind of what it looks like when you will click on the link, and you're just gonna click start for free. It's completely free to start. You do not need to pay any money, and that's the thing, you guys. Like, you do not have to pay any money. This is completely free. You can connect your PayPal account and get started now. So I'm gonna let this get a little bit bigger, but I really want to show you guys $50 for 30 minutes, $50 for 30 minutes, a survey, $50 per survey, $150 per survey. Like, come on. And it just goes on and on. So definitely check out the link in the description, you guys, because it's just really amazing to look at the opportunities that you can make with this. And the thing is, they send you a bunch of surveys. Like, the list goes on and on and on. It's not limited. It's not something where they'll only send you one survey. Like, there's so many opportunities in this website. You've got to check it out. And definitely, check it out before it becomes a mainstream thing, because, this is really cool to be getting paid $50 to $100 for an hour of work for doing something very simple, answering questions, whatever. So definitely click the link in the description and make $100 in the next hour.